So I'm doing this kind of disjointed, but today I'll be showing how I make the apparatus thing I did for bulb head and mascara, but simple this time. Like, I'm gonna go really simple. So basically, we need like a few, I think, of these points. Just something simple, just to show you how I do it. Let's make them thin, I want to say. That. So basically, it'll be like a neck piece, and then Okay. For simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna use a sphere. Gonna do it like that. It's lame, but it'll work. Just something simple. So like that. Kind of make it as one piece. Sorry if I seem nervous. That'll be cut out. So we're gonna build a couple more pieces. I think one more sphere. Like this. Yeah, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. This will just be very simple. So it'll be like, these will be each joint. Like that. Alright. So I'm gonna kind of pop away. So now, time to go to PMX editor. The fun part. Basically, kind of edit things out of whack, I think. We'll choose this head. Okay, making sure OBS does it proper. Okay, so we're gonna grab the tutorial piece. It's pretty big. I'm not gonna make any jokes here. Okay. Reduce its size. Still want it too big, but not too little. Like, oh god, I'm very nervous. I'm sorry. Go. So it'll be bone, 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 and bone. So kind of plus out a lot of bones and then delete the ones I don't need. So it'll just be easier to properly do it. So I'm gonna put a bone. Bone, bone, another one, and then the final one. So that would be 5 bones. Then you rig. This is kind of like a second nature now. But practicing just fast editing like that, we do that, and then tutorial. Okay, then God, I need to pull something. It's hard to edit like that. Okay. We're going to do simple rigging. That. Okay. So I generally would do something like that. Like that. Looks like it'll be further, so do that. Kind of like that. Oh, trying to cover that again. So let's see. So that'd be bone 5. Change that to this number. I'm going to call it 1 for now. So this, we change this to 1. Because generally I had it further away. So that's good. Alright, do that. Yeah. Kind of like something like this. It's very simple. So now with this, it will go so I need to rig this to this. That's simple. That's simple. Okay. I'll change this to 1. And then merge it. So then this will be rigged to that. Yeah. Oh god, what happened to the tongue here? I screwed up, sorry. But I always have fumbles. So it kind of looks something like that. The tongue kind of screws up if like you don't attach it to the head again. So they always kind of goof up. It takes a lot of practice. I did this on the fly, so I didn't put it properly. Sorry. Yeah, I'll fix that and then, you know, it'll look good. So if we did this, we put that here. Yeah. Simple fix. We'll see, just these have to be before these bones, because then it will be rigged proper. So like this. Yeah. That's how I basically do it. Thanks for watching.